Hello everybody, Peter here with Crocker Asphalt Services, and I just wanted to reach out to you to give you a little update on how our company is navigating through these very challenging times with the virus. I know a lot of people are stuck inside. There's mandatory stay inside by the government and all, but so far construction people are allowed to go about their day. We're looking at, we don't have quite the employees that we did. Some people feel more comfortable staying at home, but pretty much we're operating at full staff. So just wanted to let everybody know this might be a good time to get some things done because we have the whole parking lot to work with. The parking lot has plenty of time to cure and recover from the work that we do, and so it might be a good time. Also, you got to figure at some point this is going to go back to normal. We do most of our business in that last quarter of the year, and a lot of people that would normally do things now will be putting off. So this could be the best time to do it, because after, say, July or August, we might become like Lysol and toilet paper. It might not be enough left, because we just got so much work out there, and the calls will start coming in. So anyway, this is a good time. If you can't, though, we do understand that, but I'm still going out and I'm still measuring parking lots. So if you have any work you need done, you need something for me to look at, feel free to call, and I'll be happy to go out, take a look at it, and give you a price for your file, so that when we all recover from this and you're ready to go, then we'll be ready to go for you. So we'll get through this. That's what we do, and I'll talk to you soon.